Welcome from GODREJ. Enjoy installation guideline for Ecostar tea coffee vending machine.
Unbox the tea coffee vending machine.
Place the machine on a stable surface. Open the machine door. Remove the tray stand from the machine. Remove the dispensing pipe from the machine. Attach the tray stand. Want to fill premix into the canister, so turn canister nozzle to upward side and remove canister from the machine for fill premix into the canister. Add your favorite tea premix into the first canister. Insert the first canister into the machine and turn the nozzle upside down. Fill second canister with coffee premix. Insert second coffee premix canister into the machine and turn nozzle upside down. You can invert up to 20-liter bubble top for large consumption. Or you can fill the water tank from normal water bottle as per your convenient. Connect the machine to a power outlet and turn it on. Wait 10 to 12 minutes until the heating process is complete. The display will show a welcome note. Press the button for your favorite beverage and enjoy your first brew with the Ecostar tea coffee vending machine. Thank you and enjoy your perfect cup.